the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? A sequence of numbers. A sequence of numbers having a common difference. A common difference between any two adjacent numbers. Adjacent numbers. We call it arithmetic progression. Right? Sequence of numbers. Sequence. Number sequence. Chain. Number chain. Sequence. Right? So we call it arithmetic progression. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଏହାକୁ ସମାନ୍ତର ପ୍ରଗତି କୁହନ୍ତି। ସମାନ୍ତର ପ୍ରଗତି। ସମାନ୍ତର ପ୍ରଗତି। Right? We call it in our language. Right? ସମାନ ଅନ୍ତର। Difference. Difference ସମାନ ଅନ୍ତର। Right? For example, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So check the common difference. Common difference can take out. Now, adjacent number beta minus the common difference. Right? 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. Right? Common difference. Common difference. 1. Right? So if the common difference between two adjacent numbers remains same, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it is in it. Then this number will be in it. Otherwise not. You will not find the same common difference, then it will not be in it. Do you understand? This is another sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. All the numbers divisible by 2. Right? So you find these are the common difference. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. So it is having common difference. We write D as a 2. Right? First term. This is the first term. We write A as a 2. First term. A for first term. B for difference. Common difference. Similarly, we can find all the terms. Nth term will be how much nth term. Right? We can find nth term. Nth term formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into B. Right? Suppose this is the P. We want to find out 10th term. A 10th will be how much? Here A is equal to 2 plus 10th term we are finding. B is equal to 2. So 2 plus 9 into 2. So here will be 2 plus 9 to the 18. So it is 20. So 10th term will be 20. Right? We have to remember nth term formula. This is nth term. Right? Next. So let's find the numbers, sum of numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, dot, 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 100. You have to find 100 numbers. So, right? So, as n formula is n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. This is formula for sum of numbers. Sum of n numbers. Sum of n numbers. कोड़ेटा डिजिट बार 50टा डिजिट को फॉर्मूला कोड़े डिजिट राइट आ गोटे फॉर्मूला अछि SN इज इक्वल टू राइट n by 2 whole into first term plus last term. Right? This is first term. This is the last term. Okay. Now, right? So here A is 1, this one is the first term. B is 1. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So 1. A is 1, B is 1. So we have to find S 50. 50 number of terms or 100 terms, we have to find 100. S 100. Right? In place of n, it is written 100. And n దగ్గర 100 లెక్క అయితే నాని సో n దగ్గర ଆମେ 100 put କରିବା 2 into a దగ్గర 1 put କରିବା plus 100 minus 1 into d ହେଲା 1, right? So it is 50 2 into 1 ହେଲା 2 plus ହେଲା 99 into 1 is 99. So it is 50 into 99 101. Right? So number will be how much? 0, 5, 0. Right? This is the answer. Sum of 100 terms. You follow? The numbers are consecutive. Numbers are consecutive. Consecutive माने कौन? पूरा लगातार नंबर, ताकि गोटे गैप नहीं, वो नंबर छाड़िए नहीं, right? Consecutive numbers. So for consecutive numbers, SN formula is equal to n whole into n plus 1 into 2. So another formula, right? You see n is 100. So into 100 plus 1 by 2. So answer will be 100 by 2 into 101. So the answer is 50 into 101. So 50. The answer for n consecutive numbers. Right? Means for consecutive numbers. Right? So let's try another one. If the p is given 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dot 200, right? So we can write this as a twice of 4. 2 1s are 2 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, like this 200 is 200. Right? Now we are getting the same thing as here, right? So twice n into n plus 1 by 2. Take as n. N is 100. N into n plus 1. 100 plus 1 is 101 by 2. 2 cancels. Will be 101. Right? 9 plus 12 like this. Right? 15th term. 15th term will be what? Let's see. So we can take 3 common from this 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Like this, it will be 15. Yes or no? We have to find 15 terms. Sum of 15 terms. Yes or no? So here 3 4 into n is 15. Right? N is 15. So 15 into 15 plus 1 by 2. 8. This is 120 into 3. This is the answer. Right? 15 is 120. 15 is 120 into 3. This is the answer. Right? If they are consecutive numbers, we will apply n into n plus 1 by 2. This is for consecutive numbers. देखिले जानी कॉमन डिफरेंस नहीं करले अलग प्रकार ए आंसर आसे, राइट? ओके, a is 3, Difference is the 6 minus 3 is the 3. 9 minus 6 is the 3. Difference is the 3. Right? So S15 we need. Right? S15 will be 15 by 2. Formula n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2a plus 15 minus 1 into d. Right? So it will be 15 by 2, 6 plus 14. 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 3 is 42. Right? So 42. So this will be how much? 15 by 2. 42 plus 6 is 48. 2 cancels 24. Right? So answer will be how much? 15 for the 60, 0, 6. 6 is carried. 15 to the 30 plus 6. Right? All this formula for a P, remember, nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. This is for nth term. Right? Then SL, sum of nth terms, n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If they are not consecutive, if not consecutive, we will apply this formula. If not consecutive numbers. Right? Or Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 is consecutive. But consecutive is the calendar. Right? Or Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. Right? First term plus last term. It is also for consecutive. Then apply it for consecutive. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you will subscribe, you will get the new videos and the new concepts, techniques regarding. So thank you all.